coming up over Dunnellon town. Got the cameras packed and we're heading down. Black Cypress waiting by the riverside. Go boat ready, come on, let's ride. Electric motor in a quiet little hum. Crystal clear water shining in the sun. No need to hurry, know where we gotta be. Just Florida showing off naturally. Cypress trees and an endless sky. Man, it's a good day to be alive. We're flying high on the rainbow, taking it easy wherever it goes. Black Cypress showing us the way through a little piece of Florida today. Clear blue water underneath our feet, wildlife hiding where the spring and river meet. From up in the sky to the river below, we're flying high on the rainbow. Flying high on the rainbow. Turtles on a log just soaking up the day. Birds in the trees as we quietly make our way. 72 degrees and crystal clear. This is why we love living here. Grab a kayak, paddle off the side, let that spring-fed current be your guide. Sometimes paradise ain't far away, it's right here waiting on the floor today. Put the phones down, look around, there's a whole lot of magic in this little river town. We're flying high on the rainbow, taking it easy wherever it goes. Black Cypress showing us the way through a little piece of Florida today. Clear blue water underneath our feet, wildlife hiding where the spring and river meet. From up in the sky to the river below, we're flying high on the rainbow. Flying high on the rainbow. No traffic lights, no city noise, just the river and the people you enjoy. A quiet boat and an afternoon free. That's about as Florida can be. We're flying high on the rainbow, sunshine dancing everywhere we go. Black Cypress, thanks for an incredible day, showing us the river your own special way. From the go-go ride to the drone up high, crystal water underneath that Florida sky. Good friends, good times, let the whole world know. Flying high in Florida on the rainbow. Flying high on the rainbow. Yeah, we're flying high on the rainbow. Relax and enjoy